Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. So guys, we are going to be learning the new chapter or new sections. Exactly, this section will be continuing with the chapter before. So what is the chapter that we are going to be learning in this occasion? This chapter is Furudul Wudu'i Sitatun ila akhirih. Furudul Wudu'i can means sum of obligations in ritual ablutions. Let's get starting. Furudul Wudu'i Sitatun al-awalu an-niyatu ila akhirih. Furudul Wudu'i, sum of obligations in ritual ablutions. Sittatun, they are should be in 6 things. So when you are going to be taking ritual ablutions, so you have to focus in 6 things. So what are they? Al-awalu, the first things, an-niyatu is niat or intention. The first thing from obligation in ritual ablutions is niat or intentions. Athani, secondly or number 2, ghuslul wajhi, he is washing the piece of face. Number 2 from obligations in ritual ablution is ghuslul wajhi or washing the pieces of face. Number 3, athalithu, number 3, ghuslul yadaini is washing the both of hands. Number 3 is washing both of hands. Ma'al mirfaqaini, washing both of hands, ma'al mirfaqaini until both of elbows. Ar-rabi'u, and then number 4, mashu shay'in is wiping something. Wiping something from where? Minar ro'si, from your head. Minar ro'si, from your head. What does that mean? It means wipe partly of your head. Even you are washing a single hair from your head. This is can be making your wudu or your ritual ablution to be valid, right? Even just one hair. Al-khamisu, and then number 5, ghuslur rijlaini is washing both of feet. Is washing both of feet. Feet is, just for your information, feet can means plural, is plural form from foot. If you wanna say foot, this is indicating to one thing or can mean singular. But when you are saying feet, this is indicate to the plural noun or many kind of thing or many foods, right? This is the differences. This is the differences between feet and foot. Ma'al ka'baini, washing both of feet. Ma'al ka'baini, with the both of pulled down. Pulled down can means, or Japanese called this one with pulled down. Japanese called this one with polok or kemiren luru. This is in Japanese. Minar roksi, I'm so sorry. Asadisu, and then number 6 or the last, at-tartibu, this is correctly or in orderly. At-tartib can means correctly or in orderly. Faslun, this is a new faslun or new chapter again. I think I need to be reading this faslun because this faslun will be continuing with the chapter before. And then an-niyatu, what the meaning of niat, right? What the meaning of niat? An-niyatu, what the meaning of niat? An-niyatu qasdu syai'i muqtarinan bi fi'lihi. Niat is qasdu syai'. Niat is doing something on purpose. Niat is doing something on purpose. Muqtarinan together with. Muqtarinan together with bi fi'lihi, with doing that activity or with doing that ritual ablutions. So the meaning of niat is actually niat or intention is doing on purpose from together. Doing on purpose from something together with when you are doing that ritual ablutions. This is actually the short meaning from niat. Wa mahaluha, and then the area from intentions. Where is the area from intentions? Wa mahaluha al-qalbu. Wa mahaluha, and the area from intentions, al-qalbu, it is in our heart, right? Watalafuzu, and then spelling this word can means spelling the sentence of niat, like nawaitul wudu'a li rafa'il hadathi ila akhirih. How about atalafut, or how about spelling niat? Sunnatun, this is actually optional things. So spelling niat, or spelling the words from niat, like nawaitul wudu'a ila akhirih, this is actually not obligation in ritual ablutions, but this is just optional things. What does that mean? That means optional thing can means you can do it or you don't need to do it. This is actually the meaning of optional things. And then wa waktuha, and the time of niat. So where we have to be spelling niat. In the Ghazali awali juz'in, exactly when we are washing the first part from face. Ghazali in the Ghazali awali juz'in, when we are washing the first part, minal wajhi, from the face or from our face. So the time of niat, or the time of intention, exactly when we are washing the first part from our face. This is actually the truly place, or the truly time we have to be spelling niat or intention. What tartibu, so what the meaning of tartib? At-tartib alla yuqaddima udwan ala udwin. The meaning of tartib is alla yuqaddima. You do not prioritizing. Actually, I'm so sorry. Alla yuqaddima can means you do not prioritize. Alla yuqaddima, you do not prioritize. Prioritize in what? Udwan, in one part. Udwan, in one part. Ala udwin, setback. Ala udwin, setback in another part. So what the meaning by at-tartib? Tartib means prioritizing every single part of ritual ablutions appropriate with the rules of these ritual ablutions. So what does that mean? That means tartib can means when you are going to be taking ritual ablution. So the first thing you have to do is you have to be getting intention first, and then after intention you have to washing, or you have to be washing your face, and then you have to be washing your hands, and then the part of your head, and then after this you have to be washing your feet. All of exactly all of them, starting from intention and then washing face, hands, feet, etc. All of them are the content from tartib. In other words, you can say all of them are the content from orderly, or what the meaning by orderly is the content from starting from when you are getting intention, and then washing your face and washing your foot ila akhirih. Faslun, al-ma'u qalilun wa kathirun, wa wallahu a'lam bissawab.